Hello, Spindler Academy. So today we're going to be decoding, or I can show you. We're going to be decoding NOAA satellite images using Python. But I want to give you some context. Oh, and there might be background noise in this video, so I apologize for that, if there is. So I want to give you some context. I bought what's called a software-defined radio. And I can show it to you. It's right here. I'm going to need to pull up that to see what I can see. rtl-sdr.com. So basically you just plug it into the computer and plug the other end into an antenna. Whoops. It's just earbuds. You plug the SDR, software-defined radio, into your computer, and then the other end into an antenna, and it can listen to the radio. So that's the idea, at least. And so let's see. I'll put this link into the description of this video too, but or you can just search for it. It's on Medium. But yeah. So the idea is we have an audio file that we can convert into an image file, because the satellite, here's an example of one. So this is the first time I did it ever, and I got this image. And so I think the left side is the infrared image and the right side is the visible. I'm not sure about that, but you can kind of tell that it's clouds, you know, so it is a satellite image. But the actual the sound file sounds like that. That might be really loud too, I apologize. But it's like a 10-minute long recording, and it just sounds like a beeping. So it just sounds like a beeping, and that is the data. So we're going to try and convert, using Python, the wave file or the sound file into the image. And there's a program that does it, excuse me, called NOAA-APT, and it looks like this. But I think I want to try doing it manually just for the sake of learning. So yeah, so you can download this program and do it if you wanted to that way, but I'm going to try and do it using Python. So let's get started, finally. So load the wave file into the SciPy library. So I think, let's do a hello world in Python. I think we need to install Python too, and I don't think I have it installed. Do I have Python installed? Let's try. Whoa. I guess I do have it installed. I don't know what that is though. Print, what was it? Or no, okay, let's close that. Turn new terminal, ls cd coding, ls. Okay, make dir, or no, let's just do a new file. So vim hello.py. And then in it, we're gonna follow this and put print hello world. And save that. And then from there, we should be able to go Python 3 hello.py. And it worked. Okay, so we got the hello world program. So now we can do all this fancy stuff. Let's try importing these things. And let's see if that compiles first of all. Okay, it worked. So now, oh, I guess I should copy. I guess we can just copy this. Paste it. And then we're going to need to copy also the actual sound file. Copy and put it in coding. Okay, and then we also need to copy the name of it. Whoops. And then I don't remember what a Python comment looks like. I think it's just a hashtag. Yeah, it's just a hashtag. Okay. So then we should be able to run that. Okay, it didn't like it. What did it not like? Line 9. Oh, it didn't put a... Interesting. It missed a... I think this is a thing, but I think people intentionally put errors in their code when they publish it online so that people can't just run it. But I don't know. Did I not save? Is there another one? Oh, there is another one. It worked. Wow. Interesting. Okay. So we got the signal. I'm going to pause this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So let's continue. So we got the data, but it looked like we had 2 channels, which might be a problem. Computer's coding, let's reduce the sampling rate by 4 times, discarding unnecessary values. I guess I can just try copying that to there. I don't know what that code's doing though, so I mean, we can try it, but well, it liked it, but I don't know. Okay. You can just try it. data underscore over there. Don't remember what the shortcut is to get to the end of the line. So we're just going to do that. That doesn't look any different. Define Hilbert data underscore AM. Oh, I think I didn't. Yeah, we need to use data underscore AM here. That doesn't look right either. Well, maybe it is. I don't know. Okay, and then okay, let's this is not going to format properly. I can already tell. And let's it's almost proper. Wow. It's actually impressive. So from PL import image. Okay. Let's try that. Right, from PIL import image. Oh, yeah. Okay. And let's let's try it. I didn't like it. Okay. Yeah, I might need to refilm this. What's it not like? Type error only size -1 arrays can be converted to Python scalars. I might need to do some thinking. The data itself is transmitted to analog, so the color which pixel pencils. We can reshape the data into a 2D image. From the form description, it is no online. So we import image. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what this / means, because it's not a comment, even though it looks like it. Let's see. Floor division. Divide the first argument by the second argument and round the result down to the nearest whole number. Oh, okay. Okay, so there's division and then there's floor division. What's it say? Only size -1. Let's try. Just Googling that. When a function expects a single value, but you pass an array instead. Did we pass? We didn't pass it an array. Is it talking about the int? No, it's probably not. It's talking about, yeah, it's probably talking about the data underscore am. I don't want to run out of memory, so I might pause this and come back and see if I can figure it out. Okay, so I'm back, and I think I figured out the problem. There were 2 channels on the audio recording, and we only needed the first one. So what I did, well, I can show you. This is the image we got, which, well, I don't know how to make it bigger. Well, okay. Yeah, and it's also offset, so I don't know what that is, but I can show you the code. Let me save that too. Okay. So what I did was I put, well, as you can see from here, to get the first channel, I just did data 0 channel equals data colon 0 colon comma 0. And if you wanted the second channel, you could do data colon 1 or like that. So yeah, this worked. I don't know. I think, yeah, I pretty much showed you how to do it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.